What's up, guys? So today is day 2 that I'm staying in Singapore. Right now it's 7:30 in Singapore time, and I'm going to eat breakfast and go to the place called Universal Studios. This thing is water dispenser and it's so cool. Okay guys, so right now I'm finished taking shower and I will go to meet my friend at the lobby. Okay, so right now we meet all of our friends except for Dyson Chon, and today we are going to cross the road to eating our breakfast. Okay guys, so right now we have finished our breakfast and now we are going to the MRT to go to a Universal Studios at Sentosa. Okay, so now we need to go to Waterfront Station to go to a Universal Studios Singapore. Alright.
Let me sit too.
Sure.
Oh, sorry.
Okay guys, so right now we are at Sentosa. So now
Take the Universal, that's what everyone does.
So now we have arrived to Universal Studio and we are going to buying a ticket. Oh, dinosaur bot. 10. Okay, 10 narration.
We're going to go sit in a cup.
It's called accelerator.
A cup.
Accelerator. Are you ready, Tantan? What? Wang Wei.
So what are you gonna buy? ถ้าเกิดว่าข้างรถใครจะดูแลของนี่รีวิวดู
Yes, awesome. Yeah. It's dark. It's too dark. We are going to Isla Nubla.
Okay, so
So-
joke is it?
No, it's the actual movies. So right now we are going to Isla Nubla to go to the Jurassic Park. So welcome to Jurassic Park.
Yeah, it's just with Jurassic World, you know, team.
Yeah. This one is good. Come on. Okay. I can't read it.
I think that's fine. I'm gonna hold it back up again. Look at this video! Wait for it. Wait for it, guys. Wait. Look at it.
PS1.
Thank you for joining us today for your safety. Please remain seated until your flight has come back.
How do you feel, Sean?
Good, it's fun. It's like a breeze ride, you know,
Hey!
it's not. I'm sick of people going past without.
Yeah, it's them. It's them. Yeah, I can see that. It's them. Move. Get up now. Hey, guys, what's up? Hello. Oh my god. Sorry.
How do you feel, Tan?
It's fun.
เปียกไหมเนี่ยเบล
เปียกตอนช้อนลาด
Okay, right now we are at far away. As you know, there's like city movie Shrek. Matthew, try. Oh. This is delicious.
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, you're going to ride the road when the 2 years old. I just using my iPhone 6 Extreme warning. I think it looks fun if I just record it like Gopro. Yeah. But we're not allowed to taking videos, so I'm recording my impression after I play this. Okay, first of all, I need to say that it's so fucking awesome. I should ride this thing later on next time. Wow. Okay guys, so now I'm going to talk about my impression playing the roller coaster called Human. As I say, it's so fast. It's faster than the Dragon one actually, but it's actually fun. At first I feel so very scared before I ride it, but after I ride it, it's so fun. I'm so lucky that I'm going to play with Mel in this kind of like roller coaster. Actually, it's so funny, you know, Mel. Thanks for inviting me. Also cute. Okay, so now everyone has coming, and now it's nearly rain, so we need to go get out from Universal Studio. Good video.